1. D&M Service Company has launched an updated emergency HVAC repair service in Louisville. 2. The expert team is there whenever your furnace breaks down or you have an emergency that needs quickly addressing. 3. D&M Service Company prides itself on high-quality service, offers free estimates, and has financing available. 4. Despite even the most careful preparation for the cold weather, a furnace can suffer an unexpected breakdown. 5. When this happens, it's important you have someone you can trust to help. 6. Get in touch with D&M Service Company today for all your HVAC needs. 7. Contact us at http://louisvilleboston.com.